Hi everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial. In this clip, we're going to be doing Lab17, Task 1, which is creating a role so that we can start assigning permissions on our vSphere environment. So I'm already logged in. I'm at the home screen. What we're looking for in this particular case is roles under administration. So here's administration, here's roles. I'm going to select on that. We can see once this finishes enumerating that we've got a number of different roles that have been created ahead of time. A couple that we actually use, like read-only and administrator, no access, and then there's a bunch of samples over here. What we're going to be doing is creating a role that will allow someone to create a virtual machine. Then click on the plus sign so that I can start the wizard to create a new role. The role name is going to be VM Creator. Oops, sorry, click on that. VM Creator gem. And then the only thing we have to do is pick out all of the different privileges that we need. So in the data store, when we expand that out, what we have to do to be able to create a VM is allocate space. So all we have to do for that one. Let me make sure I'm going to grab all these here. So in networking, I'm going to expand this guy out, scroll down here, and I want to be able to assign the network. Collapse that back down. In resources, I want to be able to assign a virtual machine to a resource pool. So we'll say go ahead with that. And then everything else is going to be virtual machine related. So I'm going to expand out virtual machine, scroll down here. Now, I'll check this out in the configuration. We'll expand this out. I want to be able to add a new disk. I want to be able to add a remove device. And I also want to be able to, one other thing, which is select memory. Too high here, I guess. There we go. All right. Go back up here a bit and collapse this down. All right. With respect to interaction within the virtual machine, just scroll back down here again. So virtual machine interaction, I want everything, so I'm just going to hit the checkbox. And then the last thing for inventory is I want to be able to create a new virtual machine and store that in inventory. And unless I missed something out of the lab, that's basically all the permissions that we need in order to be, or privileges I should say, that we need in order to be able to set our permissions up. So I'm going to say OK. That is going to create for us a role. You can see it's working on the task here. And here is my role that's set up down here. So that's all for this task. That's a wrap on the video. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and we'll see you next time.